Now, your Doppler 10 weather forecast with meteorologist Tom Harris.
And welcome back. We are seeing a little bit of cloud cover out there, still pretty hot and humid as we take a live shot along SPID with our camera there. Let's go ahead and head over to the Kingsville area. This is what it'll look like this morning. Quite a bit of cloud cover. Then as we move throughout the afternoon, the clouds clear out, get lots of that blue skies, but we're still dealing with all that Saharan dust, which is making it rather hazy out there. Outside right now, we're at 90 degrees. Relative humidity is at 70%. Still a little bit breezy. Winds out of the south-southeast, 14 miles per hour. 90 in Rockport, 95 in Beeville, 95 in Alice, 94 in Kingsville. But it's the heat index makes it feel so much warmer out there. When you factor in the humidity, feels like 106. We're close to about 109 to 110 this afternoon. So that's when you've got to use extreme caution when you're spending a lot of time outdoors. 108 right now in Robstown and Kingsville. Those are the feel-like temperatures, but at least we're getting a little bit of a breeze, not as much as the past couple of days. Still blowing at 20 miles per hour at the Naval Air Station. As we head into your Friday morning, we're going to see light winds in the morning and then just a gentle sea breeze as we head into the afternoon. So that's going to give us a pretty good looking beach and boating forecast for your Friday. The temperatures there will be in the upper 70s, partly sunny skies. Winds will be out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Wave heights only going to be running right around 2 to 3 feet. The risk of rip currents out there is primarily going to be low. Here's a look at the combination radar satellite imagery, and you can see clear skies across much of South Texas. Seeing a little bit of cloud cover starting to come in. We've got some rain over there in the mountains of Mexico, but we've been talking about that Saharan dust. You can see that engulfing much of the coastal areas here in Texas. The heaviest stuff earlier today, but you can see it's kind of wrapping back around. So we're going to continue to see some rather hazy conditions through the holiday weekend, but other than that, looks like we're primarily going to be very hot and dry as high pressure is in control. The rain will stay off to the west and off to our east. We'll start to see a little bit of that moisture coming back early next week, and that's when we'll put another chance of rain, very slight chance, but at least a chance of some wet weather for next week. Future tracker indicating those clouds are going to come back tomorrow morning, then they'll clear out in the afternoon, maybe a few streamer showers out into the Gulf. The heaviest rainfall will be across parts of Louisiana. 90 again for us, 92 in Abilene. Laredo is sitting at a scorching 103 degrees. Now look at these temperatures going all the way up along the Central Plains. The coolest spot is definitely along parts of the Pacific Northwest. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s. We are seeing some thunderstorms blowing up across parts of Oklahoma. Then we'll fly on down. Here's those big thunderstorms moving across the lower Mississippi Valley as well as parts of the southeast. Here's a look at our forecast for tonight. Partly cloudy and mild. We're going to see an overnight low of 74 degrees. Then for tomorrow, looking for another hot day. We're going to get up to about 93 degrees. Less winds out of the southeast, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Your 4th of July, 94 degrees, still a little bit hazy. Now we'll stay in the low to mid 90s pretty much all next week. We will see some moisture starting to come in as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, and that's when we'll see our next chance of wet weather. Drew?
Okay, Tom, thank you.